Hey guys, it's Sakib. Welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. This time it's about the Pixina Carousel widget. Pixina Carousel can transform your website into a modern blog page with artistic blocks view. Let's see how this widget works. This is the first appearance of the widget. On the layout section, you can increase the number of columns for the carousel up to 6. Less the column, bigger the image. To have a high resolution image, please keep the image size to full. Increase column gap to keep the items separate. Let's revert the changes. The query section lets you change the number of items for the carousel. The default value is 6. Below is source and the include/exclude fields. Then comes the sorting options as date and order. In the additional tab, you'll see a bunch of switchers. Let's turn on the text switcher for example. As you see, text appeared on the carousel posts. Let's keep it off for now. For navigation, we have arrows, dots, progress, and combinations. Let's go with the arrows. You can change its position on the display. Moreover, there are 23 arrowhead styles available. Go with the one you like. Of course, you can hide the navigation system on mobile devices using the switcher right below. The carousel settings section has animation controls for the widget. The carousel can be vertical or horizontal, while the layout may be carousel or cover flow. After that, the few switchers below are for autoplay, loop, grab cursor, and etc. Let's move on to the Style tab. The first section has padding and background color options for the carousel items. You may pick any color for the background or images if you want. The title has 4 hover styles available. Let's pick the underline style. See? That's the hover effect on the title. Let's change the title hover color to yellow. The meta text is at the bottom of the post image. Make its color yellow too. Let's pick the same color for the date which is above the title. Pixina Carousel has comment boxes on the posts at the right side below the images. Let's change its background to yellow as well and the text to white. Finally, the navigation arrows. Pick some yellow for the arrows. Add a solid border around it and change the width to 2. Also pick a white color for the border. Now change the horizontal offset to make the arrows appear closer to the carousel. Once in, change the arrow background to white. Add a little padding to make the arrow look good. Just reverse the colors for the hover mode. Text to white and background as yellow. That's it, your Pixina carousel is ready to show off. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.